I literally have 3 brand new blow dryers and none of them work. So we just finished our first casting. It was fun, very interesting. I just made it back to my apartment and we're in the midst of load shedding. So I have my flashlight from my phone. Okay, I just arrived and I'm gonna show you guys my place for the next month. It's really cute and nice. I have my own spot. It's like a little studio apartment. And I found this on Airbnb for like a really amazing price. So I do have a little kitchenette here with a stove, toaster, microwave. This is a dishwasher, an oven, and a fridge. Then in the bathroom, mirror, shower. I just realized I don't have a full-size mirror, which is not gonna be fun, but I'll figure it out. I have a lot of closet space. Oh, I have a blow dryer. And looks like I have an ironing board and hangers, which is nice. Oh, I do have a full-size mirror. Okay, good. So I look a mess. I just finished an 18-hour flight. So a little TV, my bed, and a view of my neighbors. And the taxi guy was telling us that this neighborhood is very safe except for at night. So he's just like, make sure you get a taxi as soon as the sun goes down, but in the daytime we should be fine. Let me shower and try to do a little unpacking and eat some snacks, and I'll check in with you guys later. What's up? Today is Sunday. It is my 3rd day in Africa and it feels like I've been here a week. It's been a lot already in terms of trying to get adjusted to the time. I'm still super jet lagged. It's a culture shock, and like I've been in the midst of doing castings, like self-castings tape, so it's like I'm also trying to somewhat work and just it's a lot, but I'm very grateful to be here. Something that's really got me super like trying to figure out how to adjust myself to is this load shedding, which is where they take periods throughout the day and just cut off the electric, and it is way too hot for that, and it is really draining me physically, because I'm like sweating like crazy and I don't sweat like that. So tomorrow I'm actually gonna go to my agency and take digitals, so I need to do my hair for the first time here. I don't know though if I'm gonna film this round. Y'all might have to see the next round, because when I tell you guys I'm just very drained and just trying to get up day to day, moment to moment, like just give me a minute to adjust a little bit. Also trying to figure out safety zones, because I know a lot of spaces aren't really that safe, so I don't want to have my camera out filming too much unless I know I'm in like a safe street. So just give me a little time to just kind of figure out what's safe, what's not. I need to unpack. I have not unpacked anything. My stuff has literally been just sitting on the floor open in my luggage, and I really need to get myself together. Just getting up every day is like an accomplishment in itself. So we're gonna take baby steps, and hopefully within a few days I'll be adjusted. But I'm gonna stop rambling and I will check in with you guys later. So this morning I washed my hair with the Aveda, no problem. Got out the shower to blow dry. First of all, there's not even an outlet in the bathroom, which I don't know if it's not a thing here, if it just happens to be my Airbnb. But my friend who's staying here as well also said there's no outlet in her bathroom. Then I go to use the blow dryer that I purchased, the Babyless one that's a dual voltage. It wasn't working at first, then I got it to work and it started immediately heating up red, and I was like, this thing is about to blow up. So I hurried up and turned it off. Then I used the blow dryer that the person left for me here. Let's plug it in, did not work. Plugged it in multiple outlets. Like the outlets work, but the blow dryer isn't working. So then I ran over to the store called Clicks, because someone had let me know that they sell blow dryers and flat irons, and I picked up both. And when I was checking out, the lady was like, just so you know, it might not work, so keep the receipt just in case you have to return it. And I'm like, why wouldn't it work? Brought it back here, didn't work. So I was supposed to have digitals this morning, had to cancel because I literally had my leave out, which was super duper curly, and then my weave, which was wet and straight, and I was walking the streets like this with my hood on. So when I texted the agency, they recommended for me to go to the salon, and I was greatly impressed with the results. It was called Scar. I'm already really nervous to shoot in public when I'm in Chicago, but definitely was super nervous here. I did get like a little clip of the salon, and I became really cool with the person who was doing my hair, so he told me the next time I come I could definitely film. So I made my appointment for next Tuesday, because I feel like I'm gonna have to end up going every week almost, because I don't know what to do with my hair without having a blow dryer. And I haven't even tried the flat iron I purchased yet, because I just don't want to be frustrated. Anyway, the blow dryer and flat iron was only 25 bucks. So I'm like, this may be something I could do for the next few weeks until I have to take this out, because I don't know what I'm gonna do once I take this out of my head. After I get my hair done, me and my friend went to a restaurant that's right downstairs and had a little lunch, and now we're gonna get some steps in and walk over to the waterfront, because we haven't been to that side of Cape Town yet. Yeah, I gotta make sure I get my rest and beauty sleep and stuff tonight, because I definitely have to take digitals tomorrow, but I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Jet lagged, because I still am. My hair frizzed up the leave out at least quite a bit, but what tonight's I'm going to do is just take the hair, and this is what Lotus told me to do, the hairstylist, just kind of like wrap it up, and then I think I'm going to try to pin it, and then I'm going to put the curlers, the pillow curlers, in the front to help frame the face in the morning, so I'm not having to run the flat iron through it too much. And then I have a scarf that I bought. I should have actually bought my scarves, hair scarves, but I have a scarf that could be worn at the top, and it was pretty pricey, but I need a scarf to like help lay down my hair a little bit better. And it's from this brand called Bruce Glenn. I actually got to meet the guys during New York Fashion Week a couple weeks ago, and they're absolutely amazing. I don't really have a tripod, so I can't set my phone right now, at least, to kind of show you guys what I'm doing, but I am going to just like put it together real quick for nighttime, and then I'll show you guys how it's looking. Okay, so I put 4 curlers just in the front. I definitely, the next time I do this, I'm gonna figure out how to set my camera up so that way y'all can see how I roll it up. And next step is to put this all back. So we got this in a very like loose bun situation. I thought I had brought hair clamps, but I guess I didn't. So that's something I'm probably gonna end up buying, because I don't want to keep putting my hair in the ponytail holder, because they're bad for you unless you have the silk ones, which I need to get. Last step, wrap the hair. Isn't she pretty? The scarf is gorgeous. Tie the scarf super tight, and then I'm actually gonna put on my bonnet as well. And I will make sure to check in with you guys tomorrow. Morning, it is Digital's day. I'm taking off the scarf, bonnet, and ponytail holder now. Curls are definitely crazy. And then I need 2 hands to take out these curlers, so let me do that real quick, and then I'll show you guys how it's looking. So y'all can see how curly my hair gets with the pillow curl, so definitely highly recommend. If I had a blow dryer, all I would have to do is put the blow dryer on the cool setting and just kind of blow it out to loosen it up real quick. Let me see what I could do with this. By the way, this is the straightener I got. It is by Toni, and this is Advanced Ionic Tourmaline to 235 degrees Celsius, and I like that it has a wide plate. This ended up only costing like 30 or 40 US dollars, and this was like one of the most expensive ones that they had. So I did one pass and I have hope. This flat iron actually like heats up and smokes. Y'all see it smoking, and it's getting straight. I'm excited. It's kind of hard to see because of the lighting, but I am ecstatic. I've gotten my hair better here than I have in Europe. It is so shiny. Definitely the Aveda made a huge difference. I already know that for a fact. I'm so excited. It feels so much better because yesterday I was like having a little bit of an episode. But anyway, let me hurry up and get dressed because it's really time for me to go. What's up? I just got back from my agency and they gave me this cool hat. But things went really well. Completely forgot my camera here. Just trying to rush and make sure I had everything with me. But I will insert some pictures of my agency. They were the nicest people I have ever met in this industry. They told me like my measurements and stuff were like perfect the way they were, which I've never been told that by an agency ever. So I'm really happy about that. We just ate some lunch and we have a casting at 4:20 we're gonna go to. So then after we do that, we're gonna go back towards the waterfront and do a little shopping and like have a margarita and just like treat ourselves today because we were just trying to make sure that we were nice and toned for our digitals. But yeah, we're just gonna relax and it's getting hotter out. I don't know how this hair is gonna work. Let me upload this footage, kind of get my bearings a bit, and then get ready for our casting, and I will see you guys later. So we just finished our first casting. It was fun,
very interesting.
Yeah, we had to dance. So we had to do like jazz hands and twirls, the whole shebang, and eat a tomato. Yeah, so now we're gonna have a drink to relax and I'll make sure to bring you guys with us. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we are currently eating dinner at the waterfront and this is the view. The sun is setting and I got a few appetizers as my like main course. So this is calamari. This is like samosas, but I forget what the actual name is called. And then I got a mussel pot. But I think I ordered a little too much. And then Haley got
some chicken dish. Chicken and cheese and potatoes, some wine.
And then she got the wine. It's amazing. And then I got a funky pina colada, but it's good. Just made it back to my apartment and we're in the midst of load shedding. So I have my flashlight from my phone. It's about 9 o'clock. I think the load shedding is gonna last for like another hour, hour and a half. I'm gonna try to take a shower. I had so much fun today, so much fun. We did a little bit more shopping. I'm gonna show you guys what I got tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the next video. I'm gonna end this video here because I think I got a lot already, but I'll be filming pretty much daily. So just make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss my weekly uploads. Also, my girls that are from here, I didn't know that I have quite a few of you guys who follow me. Let me know where to go, where to visit in the comment section below. And until the next video,
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.